Hello everyone. Today we're uncovering a fascinating phenomenon happening at the bottom of the world in Antarctica. Imagine a mountain that's not just covered in ice but also blows out gold. Yes, you heard that right, gold. Meet Mount Erebus, one of only 2 active volcanoes in Antarctica, and a gold-spewing giant. Alongside Deception Island, Erebus is part of a rare group among the 138 volcanoes on this icy continent. Every single day, Mount Erebus expels gases that contain about 80 grams of crystallized gold. Now that might not sound like a lot, but it adds up to around $6,000 daily. And guess what? This gold can be found as far as 621 miles away from the volcano. That's nearly the distance from New York City to Detroit. But gold is just one of the many elements this mountain throws into the air. According to NASA's Earth Observatory, Erebus is quite the show-off. It doesn't just stop at gas and steam. The volcano is also known for its enormous eruptions, which means it occasionally spits out rocks, known as volcanic bombs. But don't worry, these aren't as scary as they sound, unless you're too close. One of the most mesmerizing sights at Erebus is its lava lake. This isn't something you see every day. It's a pool of molten material right at the volcano's summit. A rare sight because the conditions have to be just right so the surface never freezes over. Despite these spectacular features, studying volcanoes like Erebus isn't easy. The remote location means researchers can't always get there to keep an eye on things. Most of the time, Erebus and Deception Island are monitored using just a few instruments, mainly seismometers that detect shakes from volcanic activity. Studying these remote giants is crucial not just for understanding them better, but also for figuring out what might set off the other volcanoes in Antarctica. It's challenging work, given the harsh conditions and isolation, but it's vital for learning more about our planet's less accessible parts. So, next time you think of Antarctica, remember it's not just ice and penguins. It's also a land of hidden treasures and fiery secrets waiting to be discovered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world.